Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M13 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the power key button here to the scanner, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, I just was really simple touch can unlock the device. So I just not press the power key, I just simply touch it, and that's just the really good result. The just fingerprint scanner works here correct. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method. For example, if you don't like the unlock methods like the passcodes or pin codes, you can use the fingerprint, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin codes, so be careful with it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.